Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Balance the saltiness ingredients with different flavor profiles from salt to distract your taste buds, making the salad taste less salty. Add 1 tablespoon of an acid, such as lemon juice, cider vinegar or white wine vinegar, allowing the sourness of those liquids to counteract the salt.
Take our lead.
Add some rice wine vinegar. The acid will neutralize the salt and the additional sweetness of this condiment will also help. White balsamic vinegar will accomplish the same thing. Lemon juice is too tart for potato salad.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How to remove a salty taste from tuna salad. Add some sweet ingredients to the salad. Add 2 teaspoons. Add vegetables to the tuna salad. This will help dilute the saltiness. Add a low sodium or reduced fat creamy ingredient such as sour cream or mayonnaise.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
5 ways to fix oversalted food. Make more of your recipe. Let's start with the most obvious. Make more. Bulk up your dish. Bulk up the dish with more of any quick cooking main ingredients you have, such as vegetables from your crisper drawer. Add a starch. Dilute your dish with liquid. Last step, re-season, but not with salt.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.